Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and in this video I want to talk about 6 tips that you must follow if you're a new blogger or even an existing blogger that's looking to get even better results. Now, these six tips are essential to your success. Now, this is for coaches, consultants, business owners, marketers, or people looking to start a business. So if that is you, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I've got some great stuff to share with you in this video. Now, my name is James Nicholson, and I've been in business now for 17 years. And in that time, I've had all the ups and downs that you get as an entrepreneur, as a business owner. And I've developed something very, very special called my Business Accelerator methodology. Now, this is a methodology that helps you take cold clients and turn them into red hot buyers that buy again and again and again from you. I've used it in my businesses to generate millions in sales, but more importantly, I've worked with thousands of business owners just like you to take cold leads and turn it into leads and sales, and they've generated hundreds of millions. So do make sure that you follow along on the journey on this channel. We're going to talk about all of that great stuff and how you can do it. So while you're here, very quickly, do click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you get all the future updates on this channel because you're not going to want to miss out. Now, blogging is a great way to get trust with prospects in your market. In fact, it's a great way for them to discover you. My Business Accelerator methodology, the first step that we talk about on that is content. So blogging fits right into this, and it's exciting that you're looking at blogging as a medium to get your message out to serve people in your audience. Now, these 6 steps are really important to implement to make sure this works. Now, blogging is basically where you write a news article and it goes on your website, right? And if you've got a WordPress website, you very easily can get that working on there. And all these site builder things, they generally have blogs in them now as well. And so what you first want to do is when you create content on your blog is share it on your social media, right? Get the word out there because not people aren't just going to discover it. And so your job is to make sure that you actually get readers on it. So share it on your Instagram. You can share it on your YouTube. You can share it in on LinkedIn and all these other platforms. And how you share it on YouTube, just in case you're thinking, is in the description, right? So in the description of the video, you can have links to blogs and stuff like that, right? That's how people can get there. But sharing it on social media is a great way to just start the process of getting eyeballs on your content. Now, they might be existing people that you already know, but that's fine too, because you're giving value to an audience, right? That's great. Now, next, this one is very important. So don't think that you don't get past this, and make sure you understand this. You must make content that people are searching for, right? You must make content that people are searching for. Now, if you, for example, I have a pizza guy that I work with, if he made content on his blog, said, my favorite pizza topping, right? Now, he made that as his content. My favorite pizza topping. That could be a blog. But no one in the world is searching for what Fabio's favorite pizza topping is, right? So he has to make how-to content. How-to content is some of the best content that you can put out there, right? This video is blogging tips, right? And that's what people are searching for. So how to improve the traffic to my blog, how to get my blog found on Google, how to make, well, one of his best videos is at what temperature to bake a pizza. People want to know answers to stuff, right? So that is really important that you make the content that people are looking for. When you've got a big audience, then you can make content that you want, that gives them value, that they need. But first, you must make content that people are looking for. And one great way to get some content ideas is to go to Google or YouTube. And you know, when you start typing stuff in, it starts to predict what you're looking for, right? And if the title of your blog post comes up, then you know someone is looking for that, right? So how to change a wheel on a Ford Fiesta, right? Somebody will be searching for that. So you start typing that in to YouTube and say, does it predict that for you? How to lose weight fast? What is a keto diet? These are things that people are searching for, right? So you must create stuff that people are searching for. Then I want you to create a content calendar. And we actually do this in our Business Growth Club. If you want to try the Business Growth Club, quick plug, in the description, you can grab a trial for just £1, right? And actually one of our master plans is about creating a content calendar. And so what I mean by that is create a schedule on when you're going to release content. Because when you plan it, it will get done. And that's important that you do that, right? You must have a schedule. You must plan it in a calendar. I think the easiest way for you to get that done is to just get a trial and grab my content calendar and get that implemented in your business. Now, after that, you need to be posting on a regular basis. So that's the fourth thing here. You must post on a regular basis. So what happens is, I meet lots of entrepreneurs and they get really excited when they start the business, right? So they start the business and they're posting like crazy, maybe doing 5 posts, 6 posts, 10 posts, 20 posts a week, and then they stop, right? That isn't good for you. It's not good for Google. It's not good for your audience. So what I'd rather you do is just post once a week. And then when you are consistently posting once a week, if you feel that you can do more, then move it to twice a week. And then if you're consistently posting twice a week, then go 3 times a week, right? The more posts that you put out, the faster you're going to get results. But the problem is if you go do 40 posts in a week and then do none for the rest of the year, that will start impacting your Google rankings, and your audience just aren't going to like it because they want to have somewhere, a resource that they can come back and get more and more value from you, right? That's really, really important. Now, next off is Google Analytics, right? You must have Google Analytics installed onto your computer, onto your website, right? Now, you don't have to worry about how that's all done. I would go to the person that designed your website and get them to install it. Right, get Google Analytics on there and it will tell you how many visitors, where they came from, how long they stayed there, did they leave, are they bouncing off pages, all this great stuff that you can learn, but don't overcomplicate it and think, I'm not a techie person. Don't go and try and learn it for days. Just get someone else to do it for you. You can get someone on Fiverr.com to do it for you, Upwork. There's tons of places that someone will install Google Analytics, but the best place is the person that actually designed your website. They are going to be the first port of call for you to do this, right? It's a tiny little bit of code, goes into every page, and it can just tell you who's visited, did they visit on a mobile or a desktop, what country are they from, all important information you need as a marketer, right? Next, the last one, and the 6th and final one, is to learn search engine optimization, right? And that's SEO, we call that, is the process of ranking a web page in Google, right? Just writing a blog post is great, but you must get traffic to that post. You must get eyeballs on that post. Without eyeballs, you're wasting your time, right? And so you must learn the fundamentals of search engine optimization. There's various things that you can do to title your pages in the right way, and by doing that, it will make it more friendly with Google and more likely to rank. Then you need to look at things like backlinks and all these other wonderful things as well. And so I actually cover that in another master plan in the Business Growth Club. So in the Business Growth Club, we have lots of master plans on how to grow your business efficiently, right? And I want to give you a 30-day trial today for just £1, right? It's a bonkers deal, but if you click in the description below, you can grab a full 30-day trial, visit all of my master plans, plus every week we have live training. Last week we just had Tony Robbins, copywriter, and next week we've actually got one of the best CRM experts in the world. So for £1, it's a no-brainer. So while you're there, go and check it out. Go and get your trial of the Business Growth Club. Get involved, get into our community and learn this stuff, right? We have a Facebook group as well where you can ask me questions and I can help you grow your business and take you to the next level. So if you found this video useful, please give me a like. Please also comment below, let me know who you are and what you do. Subscribe to the channel and go and get your £1 trial of the Business Growth Club now. I'll see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching.